When it comes to window installation in Washington, D.C., choosing the right service provider is crucial for ensuring quality and durability. Washington, D.C. window installation services offer a wide range of options, from custom window design to energy-efficient windows, catering to both residential and commercial needs. With a focus on precision and expertise, these services ensure that every window design Washington meets the highest standards of craftsmanship and functionality. Custom window design in Washington, D.C. is a popular choice for homeowners and businesses looking to add a unique touch to their properties. By opting for custom window design, you can create windows that perfectly match your architectural style and personal preferences. Whether you are interested in bay window design or skylight installation, Washington, D.C. offers a plethora of options to bring your vision to life. Energy-efficient windows in Washington, D.C. are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs and enhance comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. By choosing energy-efficient windows, you not only contribute to a greener environment, but also enjoy significant savings on your energy bills. Window replacement in Washington, D.C. is a service that many residents and businesses seek to improve the aesthetics and functionality of their properties. Whether you need to replace old, worn-out windows or upgrade to more modern designs, window replacement services in Washington, D.C. provide a seamless and efficient process. With a variety of styles and materials available, you can find the perfect window design Washington to complement your space. Residential window services in Washington, D.C. cater to homeowners looking to enhance the beauty and efficiency of their homes. From window replacement to window customization, these services cover all aspects of window care and maintenance. By investing in residential window services, you can ensure that your windows remain in top condition, providing security, insulation, and aesthetic appeal. Commercial window solutions in Washington, D.C. are designed to meet the unique needs of businesses and commercial properties. These solutions include everything from window installation to window glazing, ensuring that your commercial space is both functional and visually appealing. With a focus on durability and performance, commercial window solutions in Washington, D.C. are tailored to withstand the demands of busy environments. Window installation in Washington, D.C. is essential for maintaining the integrity and performance of your windows. Whether you are dealing with broken glass, damaged frames, or faulty hardware, professional window installation services can address these issues promptly and effectively. By opting for window installation in Washington, D.C., you can extend the lifespan of your window design Washington and avoid the need for costly replacements. Security is a top priority for many property owners, and our Window Security Washington, D.C. services provide peace of mind. We offer a range of security solutions, including reinforced glass and advanced locking mechanisms, to protect your home or business. Window tinting. Washington, D.C. is another effective way to enhance privacy and security while also reducing glare and UV exposure. Our window insulation Washington, D.C. services further improve your property's energy efficiency and comfort. For those seeking a complete transformation, our window renovation Washington, D.C. services offer comprehensive solutions. From window measurement Washington, D.C. to window customization Washington, D.C., we handle every aspect of the renovation process. Our Window Consultation Washington, D.C. services provide expert guidance to help you make informed decisions about your window projects.